Hi my friends, today I want to show you how to make the paper bookmark. Let's go! We need a paper square. Fold the bottom edge to the upper one. Unfold. Rotate and repeat the previous step. Turn over and fold the bottom corner to the upper one. Unfold. Rotate and repeat the previous step. Fold it using the creases. Fold both bottom corners to the top. Unfold and flatten the corners. Fold both edges of the left square to the center line. Repeat the previous step with the right square. Unfold and fold the corners inside. Repeat it with the opposite side. Open the right side and fold this crease to the center line. Open the right side again and fold the right bottom corner to the top. Unfold and fold it as I've shown earlier. Fold both edges to the center line. Unfold and fold the corners inside. Turn over and fold the right edge to the center line. Unfold and flatten the corner. The bookmark is completed. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!